So, ayun po guys, nandito po tayo kasama natin si Sir Jose. So, what can you say about the Makleta restaurant here in Georgia?
Ito yung pinaka-famous na restaurant dito sa Tbilisi. Actually, kaya ito along the highway. Kasi yung lahat ng mga... Actually, itong restaurant na to, tingnan mo to tingnan mo guys
Okay. Pakita natin. See, the ambience. See.
Restaurant Maleta. So para siyang luggage. So kaya siya pinangalan na Maleta kasi nga maraming mga turista na nagpupunta rito.
Ganun pala.
So ang mga turista nila mga nakamaleta yan pag bumibiyahe. Kaya ito pinangalan yan. Tapos ito ang pinakasikat na restaurant dito sa Tbilisi kasi it's along the highway. Makikita ninyo,
This is the highway guys.
yung mga trucker, mga turista, mga bus na pan-tourist dito dumadaan. Kaya may mga customer na lagi nagpupuntahan dito. Ang pinakamasarap dito, sinigang. Sinigang na bangus.
Sinigang na bangus sila dyan.
And si Wild House.
Let's go there. Wild House. There's a Wild House also there. So guys, meron na Wild House dito.
Just daw dito.
Tingnan natin yung Wild Horse. Tara. So, guys, this is the... You can drink from the mountain. This one, direct from the mountain. So, guys, we will try the water from the mountain. So, this is it. Try natin sa inyo, men. Sobrang lamig niya, napakalamig. This water is coming from that mountain.
Bukal na tubig mula sa bundok ng Badahaw.
This is bukal na tubig. Tapos the Wild Horse is there. So, kakain na daw. Tawag sila, kakain naman talaga. So, yan, ito, mineral water talaga siya. Ang miraculous buto. Wala siyang katapusan. Tuloy-tuloy lang ito. Wala siyang control. Kung gusto nyo makain naman ng tubig, naka-experience ng tubig na to, so galing sa bundok na yon, yung bundok na yan, diyan siya nagagaling, binubukal niya pupunta rito, wala siyang tigil, walang control. Ayan. This is the water of life. Dito siya lang umiinom. I think we go there.
Oh, shit, is that? No, it's there.
So the Wild Horse. Yeah, the Wild Horse is there. See, the black Wild Horse.
Where you see here?
Here. See the black, and also there have some friends. Yeah, this is the black Wild Horse. See, boss, this one, the wild dog. This one. See. I think this is a wolf. I think
so many like that.
there is also a wolf there. Yes, look like a dog. See, this guy. This this one.
That's a cow.
That's a cow? Oh,
yeah.
Very small, huh?
That's a cow.
And this is the Wild Horse.
They're not fine. That's what they were saying yesterday. That's a catty here. Very catty. Cows. It's not belong to anyone. It just seems like that. Those are all wild cows. It not belong to anyone.
Pakita natin guys, ayun siya. Pakita natin ito, malapitan niya. Yun, inuwa yung Wild Horse. Ito naman yung sa baka. Wild cow pala to. Ayan, no? So that is the wild cow. And this is the Wild Horse. So ayun siya guys. Ayan. So that's it.